Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Titration curves can look intimidating, but finding the right indicator is actually super fast once you locate the equivalence point on the graph. Let's solve this together. First, look closely at the titration curve to find the vertical section where the pH rises sharply. This steep part represents the equivalence point where the acid is neutralized. Now identify the pH value at the center of that vertical jump. On this specific graph, the equivalence point occurs right around a pH of 8, which is slightly basic. Finally, choose the indicator whose color change range overlaps with that pH value. Phenol red changes between 6.8 and 8.2, making it the perfect match here. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs.